The complete works of Swami Vivekananda, Less Doctrine and More Bread, a news report in the Baltimore American on Swamiji's lecture tours to USA in 1894. The Lyceum Theatre was crowded last night at the first of the series of meetings by the Vroom brothers. The subject discussed was dynamic religion. Swami Vivekananda, the high priest from India, was the last speaker. He spoke briefly and was listened to with marked attention. His English and his mode of delivery were excellent. There is a foreign accent to his syllables, but not enough to prevent him from being plainly understood. He was dressed in the costume of his native country, which was decidedly picturesque. He said he could speak but briefly after the oratory that had preceded him. But he could add his endorsement to all that had been said. He had travelled a great deal and preached to all kinds of people. He had found that the particular kind of doctrine preached made little difference. What is wanted is practical sort of work. If such ideas could not be carried out, he would lose his faith in humanity. The cry all over the world is less doctrine and more bread. He thought the sending of missionaries to India, all right, he had no objections to offer, but he thought it would be better to send fewer men and more money. So far as India was concerned, she had religious doctrine to spare. Living up to the doctrines was needed more than the doctrines in themselves. The people of India, as well as the people all over the world, had been taught to pray. But prayer with the lips was not enough. People should pray with their hearts. A few people in the world, he said, really try to do good. Others look on and applaud and think that they themselves have done great good. Life is love. And when a man ceases to do good to others, he is dead spiritually. On Sunday evening next, Swami Vivekananda will make the address of the evening at the Lyceum.